How to share location on Instagram Maps. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can share location on Instagram Maps. So let's get started. First of all, you can head over, open Instagram application, and then you're going to click on the chats. Over here, you'll be able to see this maps icon. Click on map, and then you're going to click on this gear icon here at the top right. Now it says that turn on location services. So what you need to do is go to the gear icon, that is the settings of your phone, and then go to applications, search for Instagram, and then you're going to click on location over here and then click on while using the app. Now, when you go back to Instagram and click on this gear icon again, you'll be able to see these options. So now you're going to select that who can see your location. For example, I'm going to click on close friends and then simply select close friends, click on share location. Then all of the people that are within your close friends will be able to see your location. So that is basically how you can share location on Instagram Maps. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.